Hi guys, hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we'll discuss trading situations. So if you trade Forex, stock or oil, you're welcome to stay here. I'll show you some technical researches that I do on daily basis for my Russian traders, but I also keep repeating what I do in Russian market, I do for you here in English YouTube. So please stay here, subscribe and follow my Telegram channel as well. You're welcome to search what I do and follow what I do for free here on YouTube. So okay, let's go for charts. I will show you different charts. I will show you different prices. What are the best prices to be in, when to buy, when to sell, when you should be careful with the prices, not to use and to do anything. So you're welcome to stay here and follow my channel for more educational videos every week. So let's go. Right now, here you see the gold silver price. It's 23.35, and what we see here is that silver price goes down since February 2021. It's going down. These red lines, this is the downtrend, and it does not mean that we have to see price 18 or 19. No, it's not about that. But what you can be sure about, that price is not in uptrend right now. If it's not showing us uptrend, it means that we are not able to buy for a long period. It's not a reason for us to buy for a long period, and it's a really bad thing. And if you buy right now here and that, oh, it's a bad inflation all over the world, and we are so scared, so we gotta buy gold and silver. And now it's not like that. It's not gonna work. So you got to be careful if you hear something like here is a lot of risk for inflation. If we see downtrend for silver, it means that price may show us this level 18 or 19 may show, but it's not gonna show us right now or tomorrow. What do we do to trade those days? Follow me. I open 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart or 30-minute chart to trade. 3 periods for silver, 3 periods. What do you need? You need to open one of those periods, 30-minute chart, 1-hour chart, or 4-hour chart. Lower, you have to open RSI period 14. RSI period 14. You open that, and this is your guide. This is your opportunity to trade and get profits. If you open 4-hour chart, what you can see, that price was somewhere around 24 area, but also RSI was around the level of resistance. If you see RSI being near the level of resistance, it means that they may go down to 28, 29, 30 area, and price also will go down. This is the 4-hour chart. Until what moment it's okay to sell? Until RSI is going down. What you can use, please use trend lines here as well. And if you draw this support, look right now on RSI, I just made a support. And you make the support level, and they may give a rebound over here. You got to be ready for that, because it really works. And if RSI 14 right now stays above this area, 47.70 area, it means that here on chart we may see a rebound and price will go higher. So like on chart, like on RSI, you may draw those tendencies, you may draw those levels of support and resistance, and it works. If we go to 1-hour chart, we'll see that price right now is being near the level of support, 30 area. It's not good to sell right now. No, it is not. Right now, it's not bad to think about long positions. When? Which price is okay for us to open long positions? You gotta go through 200 moving average or some other indicator that you use. I use all the time 200 moving average on 30-minute chart, on 15-minute chart, and it works. But not only one moving average 200. I use it combined with other instruments. So right now I can see that RSI is going down because we are in a flat. As far as market is being in a flat, you can use those oscillators. Okay, and price is coming to the 200 moving average. So what I do, I check this level of support every 30 minutes, every hour, and if they give me a rebound over here, I'm gonna open long position from this area. Not 23.23 price, but from this area. What I want to see as a confirmation that it's a good moment to buy, when I see shadows on the bottom side. When I see those shadows, this will be a really good moment for me to open long position. For 30-minute chart, it's kind of the same. You can see that price is being here on the level of support right now for RSI, so you do not sell right now. If you go back to 4-hour chart, please remember about this level of support, because price has been really close to it, and this may be a point where they give you a buy signal. Let's check it in a week if it worked or no. Okay, let's go to gold. For those days, the beginning of this week, 15, 16, 17 of February, it's really good for us to think about this 30-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, and indicator RSI with the period 14. So you open your chart, you open your RSI period 14, you open 1-hour chart, for example. What do you see right now? It's still on its way to the level of support. What do we see over here? It's still on its way to the level of support. But we take the tendency line and we draw this tendency. What it looks like? It looks like a support. And this may give us an opportunity to understand that, for example, they will test right now, listen, 1,849 area. They will test it, and from here, they may give you a rebound. If they give you a rebound over here, this means that you may buy and wait for a new high. Today, we're going to get a lot of news from America, so this is something that you can use and trade. If price goes under 1,848, if they go under this area, then you sell as long as RSI going down on 4-hour chart. Until RSI is on its way to the level of support, you keep selling. But you gotta go through this level of support. Okay, so I hope this will be useful for you. As far as gold being on its level of support on 30-minute chart, it's not good to sell right now. So we need to see a rebound to the break, and after that we can sell. So check this 30-minute chart. It's a really good help. For Brent, today with my traders in Russian Trading Club and Russian Pro Trading Club, we discussed this opportunity to sell Brent because well, this is a really good level of resistance. Check. If we go to daily chart and I use Fibonacci levels from the beginning of its upgoing tendency in April 2020, look here, this is support around 20. Price for Brent is around 20. So this is the first point and this is the second point. And this way is 100%. After they break this level of resistance, we see our targets with the Fibonacci levels, and first target, 96 area, is already done. After they get such a good target, and they show you such a candle, which means a good reversal target sign, this means that they will try to go for correction. And if you go to weekly chart, you will see that there was an upgoing tendency for more than 3 years. More than 3 months. So they were going up, and they reached my target. It means that they need to breathe, to give some correction. That's why we're not buying today, and we're waiting for price to go down. But how far? How far is it going to go down? We need to use the 200 moving average to understand how far it will go down. And also, I want to tell you about the divergence. Divergence is something that gives you a sign that now they will rebound. Look, one maximum goes up, the next maximum is higher. But if you go down for RSI, you will see that one maximum is high, but the next one is lower. This is the divergence. And after you see this divergence over here and a good level of resistance, price is going down. How far? To 200 moving average. They pass this 200 moving average on 15-minute chart. They pass this 200 moving average on 30-minute chart, And only after that, they will reach the 200 moving average on 1 hour chart. Also, please watch RSI. It's still going down. So you are welcome to sell until RSI is on its way to level of support. Same idea for many instruments this week. This is something that I do for many years. I make researches and I'm waiting for signs, for signals, for moments to enter market. And today and yesterday and tomorrow we are going to trade with RSI period 14 for different time frames. It's not like that in a week. It may change in a month. So that's why I'm here to follow the tendencies and to understand when and what we trade. For example, you want to see, understand what's going on with the Bitcoin. Check here. For Bitcoin, it's also going up. The price is going up. And my level of resistance right now is 46.70, so 46,700. This is the Bitcoin price that I think they will reach. But how do we enter market to get this price? You go on 30-minute chart. Can we buy right now? It looks stupid. No, it's not good. Can we buy right now due to the situation that we see on 1 hour chart? No, it's not okay right now to buy. So what do? We have to wait price to give us correction, maybe to 55 area, maybe to 57 area on RSI. They need to give us a correction, and after they give us correction, rebound, you buy, and your target is 46,700. All same things all the time. Okay, we may go to Ethereum, and I want to show you that on weekly chart, it's still possible for them to go lower. It's possible. I'm gonna be like real okay buying Ethereum for a long term above 3,500. When they break this level of resistance, it's okay to buy and go higher. But right now, not really. Look here, if you go to RSI on daily chart, this is the resistance. This is the resistance. It's really possible that they will not go through this resistance. So this is a moment for us to sell and wait a lower price. Only if something happens and they go through 3,500 really fast, they go higher, this will be a good moment for us to buy, but above 3,500. Right now, check the RSI and remember that it's still going down. It's not in an up tendency. If you check 4-hour chart, it's kind of the same. There is still no good sign for long positions. And level of resistance over here, 3,130, that they can't go through. Actually, this is the resistance that is really important intraday. 3,130. And they may test it in like 2 hours, 3 hours, they may test it. After that, give us correction and short positions. So use this live hack, use this trading hack. 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 4-hour chart, and RSI period 14. For different instruments, it works really good. I hope it's understandable and you will get it. So for euro dollar, it's kind of the same, and this area is okay for short positions on American trading session. Because if you check the 30-minute chart and you check the RSI, it's also being near the level of resistance. Same thing. So what do? We are waiting for a moment. Even they broke the 200 moving average. Yes. But if you check the 30-minute period, they still may show you a reversal and sell signal over here. Because RSI, which is an oscillator, is showing us a level of resistance. What is the price as a target for euro dollar? If they give you a rebound over here, and you can see with the history that this is a really good level of resistance. If they give a rebound over here, you may sell up to 1.1240. So yeah, this is something like 100 pips that may work for you today. Okay, if you like what I do, you're welcome to press thumbs up and stay with me on this channel and ask me about more instruments. I would like to remind you that I have Instagram and Telegram, so you can see that I'm a real person who's just trading, and I don't give you brokers to trade with. I just want to give you the technical researches that you can use trading yourself. And this technique that I use for many years works, and something that you have to do, just follow charts with your own eyes. And well, I wish you a good mood, and I wish you to be in a good mood. Hello from Dubai, and I hope we'll see each other here someday. See you guys. Bye bye.